Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. Recently, the price of Dogelon Mars has broken out this very long-term resistance zone from 2205 and goes to 2500, point double zero double zero and double zero, six times zero, 2500 dollar. And now after breaking out this resistance zone, the price and is now retesting this level as a support zone. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that previously this resistance line has been working as a very strong resistance here, and for several weeks or month, it has been working as a support here. And now, past several weeks here, again, it was trying to break it out. Despite these long spikes, the price and could not break it out. And now finally, we have completely broken out this resistance, and now it can be flipped into a strong support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this down channel and a very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for XBG, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 28th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this channel. And while moving inside this channel, the price and also started forming another broadening rising wedge pattern as well. You can see that it was forming higher highs and higher lows. And finally, after the breakout from this channel and after the breakout from this broadening rising wedge pattern, we have recently broken out this very long-term resistance line as well. That starts from 2205 and goes to 2500. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this is a quite long-term resistance line and has been previously working as a support here for several weeks or months. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. And here it was also working as a resistance. And now, again, we have broken it out. Therefore, now it can work as a strong support right now. After the breakout, the price is retesting this resistance zone as support zone. And in case of a successful retest, we can expect another very, very nice bullish reversal from here. And for example, if the price then breaks it down, then again, it can test this long-term up trend line support that is, by the way, coming from the month of June 2021. We can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and this was another bounce, and this was another bounce. And recently, before breaking out this resistance zone, we have again retested this uptrend line support. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Dogelon Mars. Now, if you take a look at the targets, then we have already hit the target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel. But for the target for the huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target is still due. That target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 0.0000 and 05 times 0.2276 dollars. That is also updated so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.